Have you ever wondered how the seemingly barren and lifeless desert ecosystem thrives? At first glance, deserts like Libya's appear inhospitable, void of life and activity. But look a little closer. A unique ecosystem unfolds where wind and sand play pivotal roles. The dance of the dunes, shaped by the wind, provides the stage for a fascinating array of wildlife. This desert, far from being lifeless, thrives in its own unique rhythm. The Libyan desert, a seemingly lifeless sea of sand, is in fact teeming with life and constant change. In the Libyan desert, the wind and sand engage in a perpetual dance, shaping the landscape and the lives within it. This is no ordinary dance, but a symphony of nature, where the wind, like an invisible choreographer, molds the sand into undulating dunes. These dunes, ever-changing and always in motion, form a tapestry of contours and textures that are as unpredictable as they are beautiful. This dynamic landscape is integral to the formation of the desert ecosystem. Each gust of wind, each shifting dune contributes to the creation of a unique and diverse habitat. It's a stage set for life's drama to unfold, where the actors are the resilient creatures of the desert. These inhabitants have evolved to survive in this constantly changing environment. From the hardy scarab beetles navigating the shifting sands, to the elusive desert foxes adapting to the desert's ever-changing topography, each creature plays its part in this intricate dance. The wind and sand are the architects of the desert, building and reshaping its dunes in an endless cycle of creation and destruction. Amidst this sea of shifting sands, a variety of creatures have made the Libyan desert their home. The desert, though seemingly inhospitable, teems with life, each species beautifully adapted to thrive in this harsh environment. Take the fennec fox, for instance. Its distinctive large ears are not just for show. They act as natural radiators, dissipating the intense desert heat and keeping the fox cool during the sweltering days. Then there's the desert scorpion, a master of endurance. This remarkable arachnid can go without food for an entire year, relying on its efficient metabolism and the moisture it obtains from its prey. In the shadows, you might spot the jerboa, a small rodent with elongated hind legs, perfect for hopping swiftly across the hot sand, avoiding predators and the desert's scorching surface. In the unforgiving landscape of the Libyan desert, life has found a way to not just survive, but to flourish. The Libyan desert is a finely tuned ecosystem, where even the smallest changes can have far-reaching impacts. It's a delicate dance of wind and sand, sculpting the landscape in an ever-changing tableau. The desert's inhabitants have evolved to not just survive, but to thrive in these conditions. Yet, the encroaching threats of climate change and human activity pose a challenge to this fragile balance. In the dance of the dunes, every gust of wind, every grain of sand, and every creature plays a critical role in maintaining the harmony of the desert.